Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what to do when you boost your audio level on Cyberlink PowerDirector and you're having problems after that to combine the audio and the video track because it's separated and yeah, it's difficult to use. I mean, it's not impossible, but it looks a little bit weird when you have both tracks separated and you have to deal with that the whole time while you're editing a video. So I'm showing you the whole process how this usually works. So we go to edit, we go to the wave editor, when we boost this thing here. So here it's starting, and what I'm using usually is this booster here. I mean, you can do the thing in another way, but this is the easiest thing to boost the whole audio level in once. So usually it doesn't take too long. I just can click and save it, and then we have a much higher audio level. I mean, for this thing it would be too high, you can see, but it's just as a sample, and it looks pretty much normal. You'll think, okay, everything is done, everything is cool. And when we mark both things, like with this thing here, or you can mark it here and then press Ctrl and mark the thing, so you have both, and you can right click and unlink, and you can see it's not working. It's somehow linked, but still it's not working, especially when you split the track. You'll notice the difference. On the left side it will be one part, but on the right side it will be still two parts, which is really strange. And you will have this all the time. I mean, you can work with that. I mean, there are not many restrictions with that, and I actually haven't found any, but it looks very weird when we have these two separate parts, but it's actually not needed. I can show you a trick how to do that. So the thing is to just we go here, actually we unlink both. So we are here on the audio track, and we go to the end of this audio track, and so we have to zoom in a little bit so we can see that there is actually a difference. So the audio editor, the wave editor, created a difference in length. I don't know why, it's probably a fault, but I have just detected this recently. And so we go to the very end, we can hit the thing, hit the end key, then we have to switch to the audio key. We split this thing here, and we can remove this part which is not needed. We mark both of the parts, right click on link, and you can see it's one part. And now you can split these things, and you don't have to be worried that you get different parts. I mean, there will be different parts visible for very short time, as you have been able to see, but it automatically will combine these things, and it's much easier and much more comfortable to work with that. And so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, just let me know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.